and hijack your entire mood? What if you could walk through chaos like a monk in the marketplace, untouched, unshaken, unwavering? Imagine having such command over your emotions that no one, not even your harshest critic, can pull you off center. Have you ever had one of those days where a small, seemingly insignificant moment completely derails you? Maybe someone made a rude comment in passing, or perhaps it was just an unexpected inconvenience, like a delay, a mess, or an offhand remark. It hits you harder than it should, and suddenly the whole day feels off balance. You're left stewing, asking yourself, why did that bother me so much? It's frustrating, right? But here's the hard truth. No one can control your emotion unless you let them. What if you could remain composed, calm, centered, and strong, regardless of what life throws at you? Imagine moving through your day with such steady peace that even the most annoying situations, the loudest voices, the sharpest words, couldn't shake you. That's not just a fantasy. That's emotional mastery. In this episode,